Hi, quick video today. We've got this BMW in our workshop, as you can see. Came to us for a remap. Did have a fault on the exhaust, so I had some back pressure faults. So it's coming today. This is a stage 2. So let's have a listen. As you can see, it's very loud. So it does quieten down a lot. That's just the, you can hear the volume of it when it's cold start. So I've mapped this one today, made a great difference. You get like 100 brake horsepower. So if you're looking for someone, you can see our workshops today. We've got all the tools. So we did do this one with the auto tuner. As you can see, the auto tuner there, which is plugged in. We did it with this one. We have got other bits of kit. We've got the KES, which is very well known. We've also got the Flex to do them as well. We do a full diagnostic check on both. We've got the hotel and the lounge. As you can see, we've got some nice workshops for you. So if you're looking for a reliable service, that you know where somebody is, that they're always going to answer the phone and look after you, please check our reviews out. They are, got 5-star reviews, lots of reviews. Please go to Bespoke Remapping .co.uk, get a free quote. We can get back to you and give you all the figures, and we can look after you. Don't confuse us with a cheap map. We do it well, but reasonable. Not over the top, but reasonable. Thank you very much. Bye bye.